What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money or cash from Wise to Revolut. So let's get started. Now first off, just simply open your Wise app and select the account from which you want to send money to. So let's say my USD account. Now tap on send right here. Then tap add recipient. Now you would need to select the currency of your Revolut account, so I will select Euro. And then tap on bank details. From here I will select that I'm sending the cash to myself, and here you would just need to input your account information. So because I selected euros, I would just need to input the account holder name and the international bank account number. Now to get that information you can exit the Wise app and open up the Revolut app. Now in Revolut just go ahead and tap on details and select the account. In my case, that's going to be the Euro account. And now from this screen right here, I will just copy paste the beneficiary name and the international bank account number. Now, once you copy that, you can just paste it over here and tap continue. Now on the next screen, you would just need to input how much funds you would like to transfer. So let's say €1 or $1, and then just tap continue. From there, the funds will be transferred from your Wise account to your Revolut account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.